Ready to streamline your finances and enjoy exclusive benefits as part of Cognizant? Let's explore how to easily set up your HDFC bank account tailored just for you. This will become your central hub for salary, benefits, and effortless money management. First, gather your essential documents. Typically, you'll need your PAN card, proof of address like your Aadhaar or driver's license, and a passport-size photograph. Your Cognizant HR or onboarding documents will confirm the precise needs and provide specifics. Next, investigate the account setup options. Your Cognizant HR department or onboarding are the most common methods. Reach out to your HR contact. They can provide details or direct you an HDFC bank representative. Offer on-site setups or guidance to complete it online. Then, complete the application whether online or in person. Accurately fill out the application. Ensure all details match the documents you submit, paying close attention to name, address, and employment information. Once filled out, submit the application and required documents. If using an HR account, the HDFC bank representative will collect the documents. Finally, activate and access your account. After submission, the bank will verify details. You will get your account details, number, IFSC, frequently also a debit card. Often, you can access your account with online banking or the HDFC Bank mobile app, so you can manage your finances anywhere and anytime. Time to use your account. Once activated, you will receive your salary, handle transactions, and use your benefits through Cognizant-related resources. Check out the HDFC Bank website or customer service for more help. Congratulations, you're ready to manage your finances and reap the account's benefits.